Right there, but there you have it. Here's the satellite and radar composite. It is quiet across South Texas right now, and we had just a few little lingering showers that were offshore at the point earlier this afternoon, but those have since fizzled out across the region. As we go ahead and zoom out and see what we have going on across the entire Lone Star State, well, we have high pressure off to the west of us. We have high pressure off to the east of us as well, and we're kind of sandwiched in between, and we have a little bit of that moisture that is lingering in the coastal bend right now, and that opportunity for some moisture and some showers will increase as we go into Monday, your Labor Day, and going into Tuesday, and yes, even on Wednesday ahead of our season's first cold front. But lots of sunshine in the northern part of the state, I should say, where temperatures are holding on to the middle to upper 80s. It's 95 out in Dallas, Fort Worth, 91 at the state capitol, and even holding on to 95 to 97 degrees from Del Rio all the way down to Laredo. But as we take a look at the nationwide satellite and radar composite, there's a frontal boundary up to the north of us. It doesn't look very ominous right now. It doesn't look like it has a lot of cold air associated with it. In fact, there isn't a lot of cold air associated with it at this point. But here's what's going to help out. There's a front located up to the north into the northern plains, and here we have the big ridge of high pressure that's sitting off into the desert southwest, and we're not so much under the influence anymore, which is why we're getting a few more of those clouds and why the chances of rain will increase as we go into Monday, Tuesday, and on into Wednesday as well. Here's going to be the driver, though. High pressure, instead of building back over the state of Texas and moving to the east, it's actually going to retrograde and build further out to the desert southwest. So remember, high pressure, we have clockwise flow. So we picture the winds doing this in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that cold front is located here. So this is Tuesday afternoon, and watch what happens when we go on Wednesday. It goes even further north. So we have a due north wind coming right into the state of Texas, and that's going to help push that cold front all the way through the coastal bend, and it is scheduled to arrive here on Wednesday morning. It's not going to be a huge cool down, I should say, but we will feel drier air filter in, and temperatures in the morning will be into the 60s, middle to upper 60s versus the middle to upper 70s, and even afternoon highs will be into the 80s, and the much drier air is certainly going to feel fantastic out there. But we have to wait till the middle of the week for that, and we have to deal with a few chances of rain, which at this point doesn't look fantastic. But here we go on the future tracker. On Monday afternoon, we'll see the activated sea breeze right around 1 o'clock move from the coastline all the way to the inland areas, and then that'll start to fizzle out. And then Tuesday morning, we'll see another round of clouds and maybe some fog early in the morning as well. There is a Tuesday afternoon showers right along the coastline at 3:30, and those will migrate inland as well. And then on Wednesday morning, this is about 3 o'clock, this is the actual frontal boundary itself, and it moves through. So we'll start to see a chance of showers move in very early in the morning. We're talking about the overnight hours, early Wednesday morning, anywhere between 2 to 5 o'clock in the morning. The chance of rain comes in, and then once the front moves through, we'll start to dry out going from north and on into south as well. Definitely going to feel the winds as well, but not in the short term. They're going to be light early in the morning. That'll allow temperatures to get into the middle to upper 70s. And then in the afternoon, we'll pick up an easterly wind anywhere between 8 to 16 miles an hour. So as we take a look at the 7-day forecast, Labor Day, we're looking at isolated showers, 90 degrees, 72 early in the morning. And then on Tuesday, we see just a couple of more showers and storms. 87 on Wednesday. There comes that front, but once that front clears the region, we're looking at less humidity and very nice conditions on Thursday all the way and through the week.